Welcome, my name is Leandro, and in this video, I am going to explain how the TikiPip EA works. I leave the link to MyFxBook in the description so you can see the performance of the EA. First, let's load the EA in the pair for which it was designed, configured, and tested. In this case, the USD pair in timeframe H1. Then, we will import it to the graph, and you will be able to see our information, the name and the page. In this section, you will be able to see your account information so you can check it quickly. Your account number, spread, balance, equity, free margin, among others. Regarding recommendations, the recommended pair is USD because its spread is usually low in most brokers. The recommended account type is ECN, even though you can use a standard account, but we recommend the ECN. The recommended time frame is H1. Due to its stability, you can already accurately take advantage of market movements without overtrading. The minimum deposit for this EA is $200, and the maximum recommended is up to $5,000, being an optimal deposit, a deposit of $200 or $2,000. If you want to use it with a deposit of more than $5,000, we recommend splitting the money in different accounts to get optimal results. This is an EA scalper designed to trade efficiently on short market movements. Remember that the robot cannot be operated on the same terminal where another EA operates. The risk logic is based on the total balance of the account, and the presence of other systems can disrupt the consistency of the lot and loss control. If you don't know how to set up two terminals of the same broker, write me and I will help you. Here we have the EA on 3 different accounts with $200, $1,000, and $5,000. Let's see the results of the first day. With a $200 deposit, the bot has earned almost $18 in less than 24 hours and has made 5 trades, all of them profitable. Here you can see the trades the bot has taken and their parameters, such as trade type, lot, buy and sell price, stop loss, and take profit, among others. With a $1,000 deposit, the bot has earned almost $90 in less than 24 hours and has also made 5 trades, all profitable in the same way as in the previous example. And finally, with a deposit of $5,000, the bot earned $295 in less than 24 hours. In other words, 5.9% of the total capital deposited. It also made 5 trades, of which only one was negative, losing 75 cents. Here we can see a complete report on the first day with a $200 deposit. The drawdown was 0%, which was very good, but keep in mind that this will not be the case forever. The bot values stability and responsible capital management. It does not seek to promise magical results, but rather to offer a stable monthly return, always maintaining control over the capital. Net profit was almost $18 as mentioned above. Short positions won were 100%, as were long positions. None of the operations were negative. All of them were won. As a second example, with a deposit of $5,000 in 24 hours, the net profit was $295. The profit factor was 230. The drawdown was 0.02%. with only 1 losing trade and 4 winning trades. In other words, 80% of the trades were profitable. And finally, with a deposit of $1,000, in 24 hours, the net profit was $89. The drawdown was 0%, with 5 winning trades. Remember this: the lot must be manually modified according to the deposit to be used. And secondly, the bot is optimized for small accounts, from $200 to $5,000. Within the EA settings, you will see the following parameters: the pair chosen for the EA, the lot. Remember that it is 0.01 every $200. That is, if your deposit is $1,000, the lot will be 0.05. The take profit. It is set to 200 pips, and we do not recommend to modify it. The EA also includes a 5% stop-loss security to protect your trades without disclosing it to the broker. You can also modify the trading start and close times, and enable or disable trading on Fridays to avoid gap trading. This option is set to true by default. Finally, you can set a daily target. By default, it is set to false. But if you activate it, the EA will stop opening new trades once the profit defined in daily target is reached. Remember that this is expressed in the currency of your account. Also remember that for an EA to be able to open trades, it must have the auto trading button enabled and see a smiley face next to the bot's name. In the description of this video, you will see a link to this robot in MyFxBook so you can see how it works. Stay tuned and join our channels so you won't miss any updates.